been about a year. I haven't recorded or posted anything, but lately I've been going to Sephora and I've been seeing these cute little boxes that are stuffed with a beauty blender, and today I decided to buy one because I want to see what's in this little beauty blender box. So you have an option of pink, yellow, the chill color, which I own these two, don't have the yellow, and then a mystery one. And I better freaking get the mystery one. I didn't even need a new beauty blender, but I bought it just because I want to see what mystery color I get. Okay, cool. Let's see. So it's super secured and taped, and I'm sure you guys seen a bunch of these videos. And this is gonna be a really quick video I'm gonna post, but I'm just like so excited. Anyways, sure you've seen these already. $20, comes with a mystery color, and then it comes with a little soap. I just love mystery stuff and like surprise and all these cool boxes. So they got me with this one. Okay. And it smells really yummy. It smells like a Lush store in here. Oh, look at the freaking packaging. How cute is that? Yum, yum, yum. It's like a sprinkle cupcake. So cute. And then there's nothing else in there. So I'm just going to peel it apart, I guess. You know, I'm going to go savage mode and just like rip right in it. I'm so disappointed because I already have this one. I'm going to return it. Just kidding. I need a new one. So it comes with a soap, which is probably what smells super good. And these soaps are freaking amazing. Like, they really get in there and clean your beauty blender to the effing max. And then I got the chill color. It's the one that I have right now. I really want the sapphire one, but it's like really hard to find them out there, and I haven't checked online. But kind of disappointed. Anyways, that's it for this short little video. Bye.